A Scrum Master ensures an effective and productive working environment in a Scrum team. If you like taking responsibility and in general helping people do their best work, becoming a Certified Scrum Master could be the perfect option for you. Not only do CSMs enjoy a competitive market position, but with the average salaries going up annually, they also tend to have lucrative careers. This is evident in the fact that the enterprise agile transformation services market size is expected to reach $142 billion by 2030. Welcome to the future of your career in agile project management. I am Vijay Bandaru. I'm a certified Scrum trainer, certified team coach, and certified enterprise coach from Scrum Alliance. I am truly excited to guide you through the Certified Scrum Master certification program by Simplilearn, a game-changing program that will serve as a stepping stone for you to become a leader in agile transformation. Through 16 hours of live instructor-led sessions delivered by globally acclaimed and experienced certified Scrum trainers like me, you will dive into real-world scenarios, role plays, and case studies, making your learning experience effective and engaging. By joining our Certified Scrum Master course, you will earn 20 PDUs and 16 SCUs with complimentary access to value-added courses worth of US $500. By the end of this program, we are confident that you will be able to not only clear but also ace your CSM exam on the first attempt. Our exam pass guarantee ensures you can request a full refund if you don't pass the exam on the second attempt. Your enrollment and successful program completion comes with a 2-year Scrum Alliance membership and the inclusion of your CSM exam and retake fees. Why Simplilearn? Simplilearn is world's #1 online bootcamp for digital economy skills training, a global leader in agile training and part of the global registered education ally of Scrum Alliance. Our experienced CSTs have enabled more than 35,000 learners across the globe to achieve their goals. Ready to take the next step in your training? Enroll now to get started and become part of the Agile revolution.